Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here, and then navigate to Organize and choose Manage SIM. This in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default they would all be selected as long as none of them already exist wherever you're importing them to. Now on my end, you can see I don't actually have any way to change where I'm importing them. But if you're logged into something like Google account, you would have a drop-down menu somewhere right here that would allow you to change it, for instance, to your phone or the Google account or other Google accounts if you have more than one. Now, because I don't have any, this option is completely hidden from my view. Now, obviously, you can also deselect contacts that I don't want, and when all the contacts that I want to import are selected, I can click on Import. The phone asks me the stupidest question if I want to delete these contacts from my SIM card. No, I don't. They don't get in my way, so I don't know why this even pops up. Almost no other brand, obviously apart from OPPO, OnePlus, and one more, which is the parent company, comes up with this. I don't know what kind of glue they're snorting to ask you this moronic question if you want to delete your contacts, because if we keep them, just to showcase this and go back to our contacts list, you can see imported contacts. Now it also combined the two contacts that are the same one, so that's why there's 3 instead of 4. And I can click right here where it says all contacts and show contacts all, device, or well, that's about it. So I don't even have an option to show contacts from the SIM card, which means they never are visible in my contacts list whatsoever, defeating the purpose of deleting them, because if anything would ever happen to your device, and maybe you want to access your phone numbers on some other device temporarily, you can just pop in your card, pop it into another device, quickly access the number, and you're good to go. But because the device wants you to delete these contacts right away, so you're completely reliant on things like Google Contacts, it just defeats the purpose. So I don't recommend doing that, basically. Anyway, one more thing that I want to point out is, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. As you've seen me kind of fiddle around already, you have 2 different places. So we have right here where is this kind of like little person icon, and here you will see your Google account, so you can change those, and sometimes you also have a device, so Google account and device as an option, or you will have it right here where it says all contacts. Right now you might see device, all contacts, and Google accounts. Either one of those might be the case for you. I have no idea, as both of the options are related to contacts application by Google, and just on some phones it's in one place, on other ones it's in another. So I'm just kind of covering both grounds right here. But in any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.